How to create my profile on the candidate portal. To start, click on Login, then on Candidate. At the bottom of the screen, click on Register. Enter your first name, last name, email address and choose a password. Then click again on Register. An email will then be sent to your email address asking you to confirm and activate your account. Open the email and click on Activation. You will be redirected to the login page where you will be able to enter your information. Now let's configure your personal space. First step, upload your CV either by dragging the file directly into the grey frame or by browsing your files. Then select the type of job you're interested in and enter your salary information. Click on Next. Check the box if you wish to be redirected directly to the job portal at the end of your registration. Last step, your personal information. As a reminder, we ensure the security of your personal data. By sending us this information, this allows you to save time by applying with a single click. This also allows our consultants to contact you if an offer matches your profile. In order to complete your profile, the last thing you will have to do is enter your key skills by clicking on Skills. Click on Finish to be able to start your search without any further delay.